Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna make tomato ketchup. So let's start. For this we need 5 tomatoes. You can increase the recipe as per your needs. Salt as per taste. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Sugar 5 teaspoons. And vinegar 3 teaspoons. Now cut the tomatoes, each tomato into 4 parts. So I have cut all the tomatoes, and now put 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Now the water has come to a boil. Now we'll put tomato pieces into the water. And cover it with the lid. And we'll keep this on high flame and let the cooker whistle for 4 whistles, and then we'll stop cooking. Now this is the 4th whistle. Now we'll stop the gas and keep the cooker like this for 5 minutes. And now 5 minutes have elapsed. Now I'll remove the whistle and the pressure will go, and then we'll open the pressure cooker. So the tomatoes have come to a boil, and their skin has peeled off. Now let it cool for 10 minutes and then we'll blend it together in a mixer. We'll keep some of this water in this cup. We'll use this later. Now I have removed almost 1 cup of water. I will keep it aside for using it later, and I'll put the rest of the tomatoes into the jar and we'll blend it together. Now we'll sieve the tomato puree. We'll just need the water which we are collecting. We'll use the water which we have taken out earlier and put it through the sieve to take the maximum juice which we can get. Now keep the gas on medium flame and put the tomato puree in the pan. Now bring it to a boil. It will come to a boil in 4-5 minutes. So till then stir it in between. Now it is on a boil. We'll turn the flame to low and then we'll put all the ingredients one by one. First of all, we'll put sugar and then stir it well. Now we'll put Kashmiri Lal Mirch I am using. Mix it well. Kashmiri Mirch will give a very bright red color to the sauce. Now we'll put salt. This is as per your taste. In the end we'll put vinegar. Now on medium flame cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. It has been 10 to 12 minutes since this is cooking. Now let's check the consistency. It has thickened a lot than it was before. Now to check whether your sauce is ready or not, just take it on a spoon and do it like this If water is coming at the end, that means it still needs cooking. Now after 5 minutes, puree has thickened a lot, and now we'll turn off the flame and let it cool. Now the sauce has thickened, as you can see. So now we'll transfer it to a bowl. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon.